Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is to get it all done. We're going to do a bit of cleaning, cooking, and a little bit of laundry. But before I got started, I made myself a nice cup of iced coffee. So we're going to start off with laundry, of course, because let's be honest, that's my least favorite chore. So I decided to start with emptying the dryer, and of course we're going to put a load in, and we're also going to load the washer as well. If you're new here, my name is Nikia. I'm known as Naturally Nikia here on YouTube. On my channel, you'll find a bit of vlogs, homemaking and aesthetics because I'm an esthetician. I currently only practice virtually, and I have a link in the description bar if you'd like to book. I live in Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm married to my wife, Lakeisha. We've been married a little over a year, so I still consider us newlyweds, and she'll make appearances from here and there. So if you're interested in newlywed life, vlogs, homemaking, and aesthetics, please subscribe. I'd love to have you. Now that we have the laundry on, I'm going to go in the kitchen and do some tidying up with the appliances. Stainless steel is so hard to keep clean because you can see the fingerprints. If you're touching the appliances all day, you're going to get it dirty. So I'm constantly wiping down these appliances in the kitchen just because it really shows up on this camera. So I am getting ready to put away those dishes there. And as you see in our last video, we have a rice cooker, and let me tell you, this Lazy Susan is full to capacity. So it took me a minute to figure out if I could even fit her down there to mingle with this cousins. We have so many appliances, so when we move, I'm definitely going to have to downsize. I'm surely going to miss this Lazy Susan. It's time to empty the dishwasher, and I decided to just leave these dishes in here and add the few dishes that we're going to have from today just because I didn't want to unload it. So that's what I do sometimes. If the dishwasher is not full, I will add whatever dishes we're going to use that day just so I can run the dishes again, and I just didn't feel like doing it, to be honest. So they're gonna get cleaned again, and that's okay because I have to run it anyway. So I'm gonna load the dishes from this morning, and then after we eat dinner, we'll put those dishes in and run the load. So now I'm getting dinner on. We are having leftover spaghetti, so all I have to do is make the pasta, and I decided to go ahead and make the corn for meal prep. Keisha's going to meal prep our lunch later on in the video, so I went ahead and cooked the corn for her and of course make the pasta. I'm going to tidy up the den while the pasta boil, and I'm talking to Keisha there because she realized I was recording, so she politely backed away. So I'm just going to clean off our table trays. We're going to eat dinner in here tonight, and I'm going to sweep the floor just to tidy it up. I do work in here. If you don't know, my desk is actually what's facing me, so I like to come to work to a nice space because, you know, essentially this is my office and it doubles as a den. I have been into watching Desperate Housewives. I'm starting from the beginning on season 1, so that's what I'm watching there. And here's dinner. I make the corn on the cob, toast and spaghetti, and I'm washing it down with sweet tea. This is how we tag team. I typically cook dinner and Keisha meal preps for the week. She always meal preps our lunch. And if I cook dinner, she'll clean the kitchen, especially if it's on a day that she's meal prepping anyway, and especially if it's on a day that I'm doing laundry. So that's how we tag team and help each other out. And these lunches come in handy, especially the fact that I only get 30 minutes lunch every day. So it's just easy to pop this in the microwave and make me a nice glass of lemon water, and that's my lunch. So thanks, babe, for always taking care of a meal prep. So I'm going to finish off with this load of laundry here. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications so you're always notified when I post a video. Thanks for watching. Bye.